Lolo and Yaya's toy cleanup race. One sunny afternoon, Lolo and Yaya were having so much fun playing in their room. Lolo was building a giant block tower. Yaya was racing his toy cars across the floor. "Vroom, vroom," laughed Yaya. Soon, there were toys everywhere. Blocks covered the floor. Toy cars were under the table. Stuffed animals were on the bed. The room was a big, messy playground. Just then, Mum peeked into the room. "Oh, my," she said. "What happened here?" Lolo and Yaya looked around. The room was so messy that they could barely walk. Yaya accidentally stepped on a block. "Ouch!" he cried. Lolo tried to find his favorite toy car, but he couldn't see it anywhere. "It's lost in the mess," said Lolo. Mom smiled and said, "Maybe it's time to clean up." Yaya sighed. "Cleaning is boring," he said. Then Lolo had a clever idea. "What if we turn cleaning into a game?" he asked. Yaya's eyes lit up. "A game?" he said. "Yes," said Lolo. "Let's see how many toys we can put away before I count to 10. Yaya jumped up excitedly. "Let's do it!" Lolo picked up the blocks and put them in the toy box. Yaya gathered the toy cars and parked them neatly on the shelf. They worked together as fast as they could. 1, 2, 3, counted Lolo. The toys disappeared from the floor one by one. 7, 8, 9. Only a few toys were left. 10! And guess what? The room was clean. Yaya spotted Lolo's missing toy car. "There it is!" he laughed. Mum came back and looked around. "Wow, what a clean room," she said. Lolo and Yaya smiled proudly. "We did it together," said Lolo.
Great job,
"And it was fun," said Yaya. The brothers shared a big high five and did a silly, happy dance. From that day on, whenever their room got messy, Lolo and Yaya remembered that cleaning up was much easier when they worked together. See you next time with Lolo and Yaya.